I am in the kitchen. I want to cook food. I take eggs and vegetables. I put them on the table. I start to cook. I cook in the kitchen. The food looks good. I feel happy. I wait and watch the food. Everything is okay. Then I look at my phone. I read a message. I smile at the phone. I do not watch the food now. I forget about the pan. The food starts to burn. It gets very hot. There is smoke in the kitchen. The smoke goes up. I smell something bad. The smell is very strong. I look at the stove. Oh no, my food. I run to the stove.
Oh, no!
I move very fast. I turn off the stove. I look at the pan. The food is black. It is burned. I feel sad. My food is not good now. I open the window. The smoke goes out. I learn one thing. Do not use your phone when you cook.
My food is burned. But you can help me. Please like and subscribe.